Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change your name in Notion, a quick yet essential update that can really personalize your Notion workspace and keep everything looking just the way you want. Maybe you need your account name to match your updated email signature, or you just want your preferred name to show for collaborators. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make that change, confidently and without any confusion. All right, let's dive in. First, make sure you're logged into Notion. You can do this either on your web browser or through the Notion desktop app. Both platforms work the same way for this process. Once you're inside your Notion workspace, look for the Settings option. It's usually found in the sidebar. You might see a small gear icon. Give that a click, and you'll be brought to your Settings page. Now, in Settings, you'll see your Account section, sometimes labeled just Account, sometimes under My Account, depending on your Notion version. This is the spot that holds your personal information, like your email, your password, and, most importantly for today, your preferred name. Why is this preferred name important? Well, it's how others see you when you share pages, leave comments, or collaborate. So having your name just right can make your interactions more professional, friendly, or just more you. Once you're here on the account page, look for the field labeled Preferred Name. This is usually right near the top, so it's easy to spot. If you've never changed it before, you'll see your original name here. Maybe it's your full name from when you first signed up, or maybe it's an old nickname. Now, click inside that box, delete the existing name, and type your new name exactly as you want it to appear. You can use your full name, initials, or even a chosen nickname. Notion gives you total freedom here. After you've entered your new preferred name, make sure to save your changes. Depending on your version, there might be a Save Changes button below, or it might auto-save as soon as you click away. I recommend waiting just a moment, letting everything sync. You don't want to rush this part. If it doesn't update immediately, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for Notion to refresh across all your devices. When the change has saved, your new name will show up across your Notion account. From now on, whenever you comment on a shared page or collaborate with others, this new name is what they'll see. It's a small detail, but it goes a long way toward making your workspace feel tailored to you. For example, if you manage a team, using your real name helps build trust and clarity. Or maybe you go by a nickname now. Updating it sends the right message and keeps things consistent. And that's it. Your account name has changed. Pretty simple, right? Sometimes these tiny tweaks are what really make an app feel personal and user-friendly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more practical Notion tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, hit up the comments below. I love hearing from you and always do my best to reply with helpful answers. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.